Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the hunt for the best household products on Amazon. We know shopping for a new washing machine is about as fun as a colonoscopy, but we've done the dirty work to bring you the best machines we could find, so all you have to do is choose the best one for you, click Buy Now, and start unhooking your old one. Let's kick things off with a powerhouse in the world of washing machines, the Miele W1 Power Wash. This German-engineered beauty is like the Mercedes-Benz of washers. It comes with a hefty price tag, but boy, does it deliver. The Miele W1 has a 9 kilogram drum capacity, perfect for handling large loads. This machine is all about power and precision. It uses Miele's patented power wash technology, which combines quick wash times with exceptional cleaning performance. The spin and spray feature ensures every garment is evenly soaked, and the honeycomb drum protects your clothes from wear and tear. It even has a twin DOS system, automatically dispensing the right amount of detergent for each load. This machine uses a special motor to keep it really quiet, and it runs at a mere 48 decibels. That's quieter than the average fridge. You won't get surprised by the spin cycle kicking in anymore, or is that just us? What we really love about this model though, is the fact that you can control it from an app on your phone. Yes, there's an app for that. You can start your wash at a time that suits you, so no more stinky clothes that have been left too long whilst you're at work. Sure, it's an investment, but the reliability and durability of Miele machines are legendary. When you're buying a Miele, you're not just buying a washer, you're buying peace of mind. User reviews rave about its longevity and efficiency, making it worth every penny. Next up, we have the Indesit My Time. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, this one's for you. With a 7 kilogram drum capacity, it's ideal for smaller households or average laundry needs. The Indesit My Time may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, but it gets the job done efficiently. It comes with 16 wash programs to suit your needs, and the Eco Time option helps you save on both time and energy. User reviews appreciate its simplicity and affordability. It might not be the flashiest washer, but it's reliable and wallet-friendly. It's one of the highest user-rated washers on Amazon, with a solid 4.6 out of 5, which is why it makes our list despite not being as showy as some of the other models we've featured today. Moving right along, we have the Samsung Series 5 Eco Bubble. Samsung is known for its cutting-edge technology, and this washer is no exception. With a 7 kilogram drum, it's perfect for the average-sized household. What sets this Samsung apart is its Eco Bubble technology, which mixes detergent with water and air to create a soapy foam before the cycle begins. This ensures a thorough clean even at lower temperatures, saving you energy and money. Plus, it has a handy add wash door that allows you to add forgotten items mid-cycle. Do you know how many times we've put on a wash, only to find a lonely sock hanging around the washing basket? This is a lifesaver for last minute, but I need my pee kit for tomorrow moments. We also love the hygiene setting, which blasts your clothes with steam-killing bacteria and allergens. Great for hay fever season or killing cold and flu bugs during winter. And who doesn't love a washing machine that cleans itself? Drum Clean Cycle will rinse out your machine, so you won't need to worry about that weird musty smell buildup. The machine will automatically remind you to run the cycle every 40 washes. Now, let's talk about the Bosch Eco Silence. Bosch is a name synonymous with quality and innovation, and this washer lives up to the reputation. With an 8 kilogram drum, it suits most households with extra laundry needs. One of the standout features of this Bosch washer is its Vario Perfect technology, which allows you to choose between Eco Perfect for energy efficiency or Speed Perfect for a quicker wash. It can handle a 4 kilograms wash in just 46 minutes faster than a Kardashian at a makeup sale. The active water technology adjusts water usage based on the load, saving water and money. This model also has the add to load feature, for when you find lurkers at the bottom of the laundry basket. Bosch is known for its reliability, and user reviews confirm that this washer is no exception. It's efficient, quiet, and built to last. Plus, it's reasonably priced, making it a fantastic value for the quality you get. If you want German engineering without breaking the bank, this is your ticket. Last but definitely not least, we have the higher freestanding Haier is making waves in the world of appliances, and this washer is a prime example. With a whopping 9-kilogram drum capacity, it's perfect for large families or those with mountains of laundry. This Haier model is all about convenience. It comes with a unique direct motion motor. There's no belt to squeak or snap, which means fewer moving parts to go wrong and less noise. The ABD antibacterial treatment helps keep the drum and detergent drawer clean and not smelling like your teen's bedroom. Plus, it has a handy time delay function, allowing you to schedule your washes when it's most convenient for you. User reviews consistently praise the Haier for its performance and the peace and quiet it brings to their laundry routines. While it's not the most budget-friendly option, it's a worthy investment for those who demand both capacity and quality. So check out the links in the video description to find more details and current pricing for these machines on Amazon. You could be getting that new appliance day excitement as fast as tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today, and happy shopping!